Why do we need a parliament? Yes? Or sometime we can ask another question, what are the major functions and powers of the parliament? Just see the need of the parliament. It is the final authority for making, for changing and for abolishing laws. This function is actually known as the legislative function of the parliament. For making laws for the entire country, we need parliament. Okay? And this parliament also have a direct and a complete control over the government. So another function, we call it as control over executive. Children, do you know how they have a direct or complete control over the government? Government is nothing but, executive is nothing but the government. So do you know how parliament actually keeps a control over the government or executive? This they do by asking questions during question hour. There is a time in parliament where every member of parliament can ask questions from different departments or to the prime minister also. Okay? Now another need of the parliament, that it controls or it manages money with the government. That is, they have the control over finance. How parliament have control over finance? We need parliament to have control over finance to pass the budget. What is the budget? Statement of income and expenditure of the government. It is the parliament who decide. Why do we need a parliament? To control the finance. How they control the finance? By passing budget. And how do they do it? By deciding which new taxes to be imposed on the people and which new expenditure to be incurred, where to spend that money. Okay? And apart from that, this parliament is also the highest forum for debates, discussion and deliberation. Remember, the debate on the Mandal Commission report was held in the parliament. So, we need a parliament because it is a forum for debates and discussions and deliberations. Okay? So that is how we need a parliament. This is again a very important question can be asked. Why do we need a parliament? And sometimes this question can be asked in a different manner. Or we call it, what are the functions or powers of the parliament? Parliament main function is to make laws or make changes in the existing law. Its main function is to control the executive so that government never misuse their power. By asking question to check the government, they control the finances, and it is the forum of discussion, debates and deliberations. Okay.
Now subscribe to Bright Tutee course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.